Tired of paying premium prices for everyday products? These Temu gadgets deliver the same clever functionality, convenience, and problem-solving features you'd expect from expensive name brands, without the hefty price tag. From smart home upgrades to everyday essentials, these finds prove you don't have to spend big to get great results. All product links are in the description below. The clock that finally gets kids out of bed or keeps them in it a little longer. This toddler-friendly alarm clock uses color-changing light to signal when it's okay to wake up, so little ones know the rules without you having to say a word. It doubles as a nightlight, a sound machine, and even a Bluetooth music player, making bedtime routines genuinely smoother. The display shifts through soft colors that are easy on young eyes in a dark room. One device that quietly does the work of 4 and buys you a few extra minutes of morning peace. Why wear a plain hat when yours could say something? This LED cap scrolls custom text and animated patterns right across the brim, fully controlled from your phone. Type a message, pick an animation, and watch people stop and stare. The woven fabric keeps it comfortable and looking like an actual hat, not a sci-fi prop. Parties, holidays, festivals, or just a Tuesday, it's the easiest way to become the most interesting person in the room. Paper towels are officially obsolete. This sleek wall-mounted hand dryer blasts hands dry in seconds with a powerful high-volume airflow. No touching, no mess, just a quick wave. The automatic sensor kicks in the moment your hands get close, and built-in overheat protection keeps it running safely all day long. Its clean white and gray design looks sharp enough to upgrade any bathroom, home, office, or hotel. Plus, its energy-saving build means it costs far less to run than you'd expect. This is not the water gun you grew up with. This electric blaster auto-fills itself, fires up to 40 feet, and comes loaded with an LED light show that makes it just as fun after dark. A single charge powers continuous rapid-fire bursts. No pumping, no pausing, no losing a water fight. The large tank keeps you in the action longer than anyone else on the battlefield. Kids love it. Adults absolutely cannot resist it. Campfire not required. This tabletop s'mores maker brings the best part of outdoor nights straight to your kitchen or living room. 4 compartment trays hold all your chocolate, graham crackers, and marshmallows, and the 4 roasting forks mean the whole family can dig in at the same time. It runs on electricity, so there's no flame, no smoke, and no mess. Just perfectly toasted marshmallows on demand. Movie night, game night, date night, this thing makes any occasion a little more delicious. Think of it as a control panel for your entire digital life. This compact desktop console puts your most used shortcuts, hotkeys, and custom commands all within a finger's reach. Instead of hunting through menus or memorizing keyboard combos, you just press a button and it's done. Whether you're editing video, trading stocks, streaming live, or just speeding through everyday tasks. Every key is fully programmable, so it works exactly the way your brain does. One small device that quietly makes everything you do on a screen faster. This isn't just a light, it's a vibe. The Infinity Cube creates a mesmerizing tunnel of color that seems to stretch on forever, making any room instantly cooler. Cycle through colors to match your mood, your setup, or your aesthetic. It looks right at home on a desk, a shelf, or a bedside table, basically anywhere that needs a serious upgrade. If you're stuck on a gift for someone impossible to shop for, this is your answer. Dust doesn't stand a chance. This handheld turbo blower spins up to 120,000 revolutions per minute, That's powerful enough to blast debris out of keyboards, car vents, barbecue grills, and tight corners no cloth could ever reach. 4 interchangeable nozzles let you target exactly where you need it, and a digital display shows you the power level in real time. A built-in 5,200 mAh battery means it's fully wireless and lasts through a serious cleaning session. Compact, cordless, and oddly satisfying to use. Dessert just became a home specialty. This compact machine whips up creamy ice cream, frozen yogurt, and fruit smoothies whenever the craving hits. The dual cup design means you can make 2 different flavors at the same time. No waiting, no compromises. Both cups detach completely, making cleanup as easy as the whole process. Treat the family or treat yourself, either way, dessert is always just minutes away. Your walls are boring. Let's fix that. These hexagonal LED panels snap together in any pattern you can dream up, turning a plain wall into a glowing work of art. Just tap any panel to switch it on or off. No switches or wiring needed. Rearrange them whenever you feel like a change. Bedroom, living room, garden, they work anywhere. Mix and match the layout until it's perfectly yours. Three devices, one tiny cube. This foldable wireless charger powers your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds all at once. No cables, no clutter, no hunting for the right cord at midnight. It delivers fast 15-watt charging, meaning your phone fills up significantly quicker than a standard wireless pad. The whole thing folds into a compact cube that slips right into your pocket for travel. A 30-watt adapter is included in the box, so you're ready to charge the moment it arrives. Your feet carry you all day. It's time you return the favor. This massager wraps around your feet, legs, or arms and gets to work with deep kneading and compression that melts away tension instantly. Switch on the heat function, and it takes the experience from good to genuinely incredible. It's quiet and compact enough to use right at your desk without anyone noticing. Treat yourself or wrap it up. It makes a gift people actually get excited about. No more wrestling with a heavy water jug every time you need a glass. This compact electric pump sits right on top of your water bucket and dispenses water at the press of a button. It charges via USB, so no messy cords or outlets needed. Use it at your desk, in the kitchen, or even on a picnic. It's fully automatic, meaning a single press gives you a steady, controlled flow every time. Small gadget, but it makes your daily hydration seriously effortless. Couch mode, unlocked. This plush pillow stand holds your phone, tablet, or laptop hands-free while you kick back and relax. The 360-degree rotating arm adjusts to any angle you need, lying down, sitting up, or somewhere in between. It fits everything from a small phone all the way up to a 16-inch laptop. And yes, there's a built-in snack bowl, because nobody should have to choose between Netflix and nachos. Summer just called, and it's coming from your kitchen counter. This 2-in-1 machine churns out creamy ice cream, icy slushies, milkshakes, margaritas, and more, all without a single cube of ice. Just pick your drink, hit one button, and let it do the work. With an 88-ounce capacity, you can serve the whole crew in one go. And when the fun's over, a self-cleaning mode means you're not stuck scrubbing, just rinse and done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.